A stitch in time saves nine. Once there was a royal messenger. He was faithful but reckless by temperament. One day, the king asked him to convey an important message to the commander of his army in the battlefield. The messenger was asked to deliver the message immediately. He got ready to set out on his journey at once. At the time of departure, he noticed that a nail from one of the shoes of his horse was missing. As he was in haste, he neglected it and set off right away. He made his horse gallop. When he had covered over half of the distance, he realized that the horse was limping. He got off the horse to see the problem. To his grief, he discovered that one of the shoes of the horse had gone off. He felt quite helpless. In embarrassment, he made the horse run even faster. After some time, the horse fell down and died. The messenger began to run. At last, he reached the battlefield, but he was too late to deliver the message. The king's army had been defeated because of no delivery of the message. He cursed himself for not being careful about the nail, but it was too late to mend. Moral: a stitch in time saves nine.